Hey, what's up guys? We are in the TL today, and as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be installing this East detailing steering wheel cover on the TL steering wheel. So I'm going to get started opening up this package. Let's not waste any more time. Get your steering wheel cover, obviously. And then you get some double-sided adhesive tape, thread, and then just a little tool that you can stick into the little corners and the edges, a thimble, and here's the double-sided tape, which I've watched a couple videos. You don't really need to use this, but you just like sew it onto the steering wheel. I don't think I'm going to use this actually, because in the future I might want to take off the steering wheel cover, but we'll see. And also you get some instructions, and you can actually customize like how you want to have your steering wheel. I went with like suede on the, I think, top and bottoms, and then kind of perforated leather on the sides. So I just have like a basic microfiber towel, and then just some purple powder degreaser, just to clean off any oils or anything on the steering wheel. And then they put some stickers on here like F and B, which kind of means like front and back. So I think this goes this way. Just kind of stretch it over the steering wheel just to get a general fitment of where everything's gonna go. So I think I got the steering wheel cover test fitted on the steering wheel, and then I got the needle and thread, which I cut the thread about double the size of my arm length. Just gonna thread it. I actually have no idea how to sew. Never sewed anything in my life, but I watched a couple videos, so hopefully that'll be enough. And I think you want to tie this in a knot. So I'm just gonna do it twice, just to be safe. Cool. So that's that. So what I think you're going to want to do is go through the actual leather into one of these holes that was already made by the original thread. All the way through.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Hey yo, what the f?
Obviously, I'm not a sewer. I think what you're gonna want to do, like throughout the whole steering wheel, is like alternate whichever holes you go through. So put the thread or needle and thread underneath this one, and then next one you're gonna go to this one, and then next one you're gonna go to this one. But I've seen videos where they do it like they go underneath every single one. It's just, I guess, your preference. I'm gonna go underneath this one. Actually, I think I'm gonna go every single one because near this corner right here, you want to get more reinforcement so it kind of stays nice and snug. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So this is kind of how it looks so far. And I'm just gonna continue going up until here. So just a little progress update. I'm mostly done with the stitching. Just need to finish up these little corners and stuff and just kind of hammer out all the details. I had no idea how to like end the threads, so I just kind of like cut it and left it there. So I'll probably just hit it with a lighter and see if that'll kind of just close it off. But up here I kind of skipped. As you can see right here, I went like every single one, and then starting right here I kind of just like went through every other one. But I might just go back and hit every single one again because I don't like how it looks. But yeah, it turned out pretty well. We'll see how it looks like after I tuck it in. There's still kind of like some slack right here and right here. I think it's just because I screwed up on this back part right here, and this part right here. But yeah, I'll check back with you guys in 30 minutes to an hour and see where I'm at then. So I got a lighter here.
Smoke weed every day.
I'm just gonna go ahead and burn off these ends really quick. Okay, stitching is all done. It is definitely not perfect at all. You can definitely see where like little loose threads are, and right here, definitely right here. But threading up here after I redid it looks a lot better than skipping the lines. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in myself with this pretty bad tying the ends. But we'll get started on tucking these into these little crevices and see what the end result looks like. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we'll see. So we are all done. I am not really satisfied with this part right here, but I don't see any other way to make this fit where it wouldn't cover the Type S badge. And there's some slack on both sides, but I think it's because I kind of pulled too hard when I was stitching right here on both sides. But yeah, I don't know whether it's user error or like design flaw, but other than like my terrible stitching job, I think it turned out to be a pretty good purchase for like 50 bucks Canadian. It's not bad at all. Definitely gives the steering wheel a nice sturdy feel, especially with this like suede on the top and bottom. I guess it kind of mimics Alcantara, or tries to mimic Alcantara. And then you got your perforated leather on the sides, which is nice as well. But yeah, I don't know how helpful this video would be to others who are trying to do the same thing, but I just wanted a quick little video installing this steering wheel cover. But yeah, until next time.
Sash.